Hey guys, well, quick update. Checking to see if my camera, see he's not hooking it. Quick update on the snowblower. It's blowing good, but if you notice the chute's stuck in one position, that's because the rod coming out of the snowblower itself broke. And of course he's done when it started. So the rod coming out of the snowblower broke, so he has no chute control. So I just thought to get the camera to film how good it was blowing my neighbors, and he's done. He ain't done. He's got a lot left to do, but he's got no snowblower control, so I guess I'll have to do it. And me, I'm checking to see if my camera worked, because stupid me, I started up the John Deere and I put it on the floorboard, and the vibration, I figured it wouldn't move being there, but yeah, right. So I'm getting the snow broom out of my car and I hear a bang. Go over there and my camera's in the snowbank. Really helpful. Pissed me right off first thing in the morning. And this crap sucks. The ground's it was almost 40 yesterday, so even with the blower control on the John Deere up to like 2. I told you can't use that thing with no chute control. Oh, you were digging in? Yeah.
I'll take some off with it.
Well, just gonna have to leave it.
With the shovel, some in the bath, and leave the rest.
Or to walk behind. I'm gonna get the walk behind out anyway. So, yeah, I guess we know what we gotta do now.
Yeah, once you come over here, and I said, what the hell? You drove right with the screw, see the piece? It's right there, see with the... It's got a pin, there's a pin that goes through there, it broke, that's a weak...
Oh, so when it was bent and I bent it straight, what I did is made the crack worse.
Probably put a
fine crack in it.
Yeah.
Well, it's unboltable. We're gonna have to unbolt it and see if we can weld a rod on it.
Yeah.
And if we weld a rod on it, let's weld a longer one. You know, make life easier. So.
Yeah, we will probably. We need to, I don't know. We're gonna take them to the doctor.
Oh, was it today?
Yeah.
Oh, well, let me go over there and see what I can do with mine. Your truck's running, you just gotta put the key in it.
You got the key?
Why do you come out with no keys? Here. Alright. Yeah, he stayed away from...
No, see, he came in, look, we cleaned this out, and yeah, that wasn't like that.
Yeah, that's true.
And on how,
it probably was. Alright, you want the snow broom to clean his car off, or just use his? Alright. Well, looks like the camera's working at least. Going quick before I turn it off. Yeah, I'm trying something new. I took the floorboards off the Suburban yesterday and raised the seat up a little bit. See if maybe it helps me. I was having trouble getting on and off it with the floorboards. Hoping I can kick my leg over it, so see how it works. Alright, talk to you in a bit.